Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss some important current affairs of 19th September 2020. So now let's start with the question number 1. Niti Aayog has partnered with Dash for mentoring, training and capacity building of government officials and public policy scholars. Option A, Indian School of Public Policy. Option B, Indian Institute of Public Administration. Option C, Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, and option D, Indian Institute of Management Indore. Here the correct answer is Indian School of Public Policy. Niti Aayog has partnered with the Indian School of Public Policy for mentoring, training and capacity building of government officials and public policy scholars. A state of intent was signed between the Development Monitoring and Evaluation Office of the Niti Aayog and the Indian School of Public Policy regarding this. So here option A is a correct answer. Now question number 2. Who is appointed as the 2020 class of 17 young leader for the SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals? Option A, Jis Sebastian. B, Kriti Kharanth. C, Purnima Devi Burman, and D, Udit Singhal. Here the correct answer is option number D, Udit Singhal. United Nations has named Udit Singhal, an 18-year-old youngster from India, has been named to the 2020 class of 17 young leader for the SDGs. It is the highest profile recognition opportunity for youngster in the United Nations. Now question number 3. When was the Asian Football Confederation established? Option A, 1954. Option B, 1963. Option C, 1970. And option D, 1976. Here the correct answer is option number A, 1954. The Asian Football Confederation established on 8 May of 1954. Asian Football Confederation is one of the 6 continental confederations with FIFA and is the governing body of association football in Asia and Australia. Now comes to question number 4. Government of India implemented the Epidemic Disease Amendment Ordinance 2020 to amend the Epidemic Disease Act 1863, 1897, 1906 and 1911. Here the correct answer is option B, 1897. The Government of India implemented the Epidemic Disease Ordinance to amend the Epidemic Disease Act 1897 with an aim to provide protection to healthcare service personnel, their living premises and their workplaces against any violence during the course of a pandemic. Now question number 5. The Asian Football Confederation Task Force has dash members. Option A 5, option B 7, option C 9, option D 12. Here the correct answer is option number B, that is 7. The task force consists of 7 members in Asian Football Confederation. The force aims to regulate football clubs in Asia and Australia. Retired Colonel Dr. Girija Shankar Mungali has been appointed as the member of the Asian Football Confederation Task Force. Now question number 6. Rajya Sabha passed the dash to protect healthcare workers. Option A, Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill 2019. Option B, Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill 2020. Option C, Epidemic Disease and Control Amendment Bill 2019. Option D, Epidemic Disease and Control Amendment Bill 2020. Here the correct answer is option B, that is Epidemic Disease and Amendment Bill 2020. Rajya Sabha, the upper house, passed the Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill 2020 on 19 September 2020. The bill aims to punish the individual who attack health workers or doctors who are fighting the COVID-19 outbreak or during any situation similar to the current pandemic. Now question number 7. Who is appointed in the Asian Football Confederation Task Force? Option A, Girisha Nagarjuna Gowda. Option B, प्रदीप कुमार बनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी माइकल फेरारियरा, ऑप्शन डी गिरिजा शंकर मोंगाली। Here the options D Girija Shankar Mungali is the right answer. He has been appointed as a member of Asian Football Confederation Task Force. Now question number 8. Who founded the Glass to Sand? Option A Konsam Sarika, option B Satabdi, option C Debabrata Mandal, option D Udit Singhal. Here the answer is option number D Udit Singhal. Udit Singhal founded the Glass to Sand, a zero-waste ecosystem that addresses the growing menace of glass waste in Delhi. Under the initiative, empty glass bottles are prevented from being dumped into landfills and are crushed into commercially valuable sand. His initiative have stopped over 8,000 bottles from being dumped in landfills and produced 4,815 kg of high-grade silica sand so far. So option D is a correct answer. Udit Singhal founded the Glass to Sand. Now question number 9. DRDO set up the Dash Technology Centers for Research on Military Application. Option A 5, option B 8, option C 10, option D 12. Here the correct answer is option number B 8. DRDO set up 8 advanced technology centers to carry out research on futuristic military application. The centers will provide support to academia to undertake research on new technology in niche area for military use. Now, question number 10. When was the All India Football Federation established? Option A 1937, option B 1942, option C 1948, option D 1956. Here the correct answer is option A 1937. The All India Football Federation AIFF is the governing body of Association Football in India, which is formed in 1937. The federation was one of the founding members of the Asian Football Confederation, the overseer of football in Asia. Now बस आज यहीं तक. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.